So guys, this is a very short video regarding the what are the changes and what are the amendments for CA final auditing from November 24, May 24 material which ICA has published with May 25 material. So guys, are you aware that ICA for I think almost every subject, ICA has come up with the new revised material for May 25? Are you aware? Okay. So many messages are coming asking me what are the changes. Okay. So those people who are attending the recorded classes or live sessions for May 25 exams, it is already updated fully the classes and we have covered. It is in your batch itself. Okay. But still, I will say entire changes or the amendments for those who are attending either May 25 batch or earlier or who are appearing for May 25 exams. Okay. I'll show you the changes. This is not the session. I'm just giving you the list of changes. So I've prepared this PDF. I will attach this PDF to the YouTube description box also. You can download. Okay. This PDF I have prepared only from ICI material. If you download ICI material, the new material, they are having initial pages. Before every module, they have put initial pages. In the initial pages, they have said themselves what are the changes. From that only I have prepared. So guys, yeah. May 25, what are the updates and changes? Okay. Before we discuss, how many chapters are there in total? Come on, guys. How many chapters are there in total in our final auditing? Just 19 chapters. 19 chapters. The major content increases, you see, behind the chapters. I hope you are aware. ICI from May 24, new syllabus material, they have added test your understanding, test your knowledge, integrated case study behind every chapter. Aren't you aware? Every chapter behind there is test your understanding, test your knowledge and integrated. Now in the revised May 25 material, in the test your knowledge, if you see, few questions they have added. Which all chapter? See the list now. Chapter 1, quality control. Practice questions inserted in the test your knowledge towards the end. Chapter number 2, planning. Chapter number 4, risk assessment. 5, evidence. 6, completion. Reporting. 8, 800 series. 9, SRS. 10, SRE. 11, SAE. 12, digital auditing. 13, CFS. 14, NBFC and bank. 15, PSU. Internal audit 16, 17, investigation, 18, emerging. Now, ma'am, is it new thing? No. Most of the questions which I've gone through, okay, in my regular batches for most of the chapter newly added, we have discussed. So this is nothing but RTP, MTP question of May 24 or November 24 or past exam questions. So in my new material revised, I'm not going to include this practice question. You know why? Already MTP, both 1 and 2, RTP discussion videos is there in the YouTube. So that's why repetition I'm not including. But I advise you, once you finish revising 1 or 2 chapters, or say you have completed chapter number 6, 5, and 7, assume, take 1 or 2 days off, do ICA, test your knowledge, test your understanding, if not done earlier. So take note, in these chapters, they have added practice question towards the end, mostly under test your knowledge. One change. Now I'll go to chapter-wise change. Chapter 3, planning. But already in chapter 3, planning, you know what? They say 300 was there, 600, 610, 620, 540, and 520. Along with that, now in the material itself, they have inserted SA 450. In the classes, 200 essay, 230 essay, 210 and 450, whether it is May batch or November batch or May 25 batch, we have already covered these these four standards. Now, one thing I say have done is, this essay 450 also they have included in the main material. So chapter 3, only one change, which is in the material itself, rather than going and revising the intermediate material, they have included essay 450. Now, I will come up with a separate revision video by this month end of essay 450. Okay? 1. Now, chapter 8. And my humble advice, chapter 8 is, what is chapter 8? 800 series. If you ask me, ma'am, what's the change? 800 series, Feb 2024. February 2024, ICA has revised 800 series. All the 3 standards they have revised. If you see, earlier 800 series, till November 2024 exam, the report format was old format. Title, addressee, intro para. Now 800 series reporting format is aligned with the 700 title, addressee, opinion basis. So, ma'am, can you just show the changes? No, since standard is revised, what I have done is class in a full revised standard I've taken, and the entire material of 800 series is revised. So better those who have already studied 800 in the old, please study once again the revised. Changes is here, there, here, there, here, there. But basic concept, come on. What is 800? Special purpose framework. What is 805? Specific element, single financial. What is 810? Summary. The basic concept, no change. Conceptual also no change. Just that here and there they have changed because 800 series ICA has revised in February. So if you have already studied, this chapter is good amount of changes there since 800 is revised. 1. Here it's major change. Now regarding the NBFC and audit, NBFC and bank audit, bank, no change, only, little bit here and there, CRR and SLR computation left, few item included, few item excluded, that little change. Okay. So bank, actually it's very small. NBFC, huge guys. What huge? Net owned fund, they have changed. They have given transition, etc. Capital requirements, they have changed. Prudential norms. Earlier, NBFC 6 months to be NPA. Now they are aligning with the bank, and NPA is now transitionally made 90 days. Then NBFC deposit direction is small change. So I think NBFC, mainly these part, especially these part, net owned funds, capital requirements, prudential norms, deposit directions. They come with master directions also new. For the regular batch, May 25, recorded or live students, everything is taken care of. Don't worry. Okay. Others, please go through these things. Others are almost the same, like different types of NBFC, base layer, middle layer, upper layer, top layer, that all is same. Okay, but good changes there in NBFC. Always NBFC is one of the hot topic. Always you can expect one question at least. Okay. Now, if this much is clear, can I continue? Come on, continue. Okay. Now, chapter 16. Ma'am, what now in chapter 16? Oh, ma'am, nothing. Internal audit is chapter 16. No change at all. Then why am I saying it here? After the chapter end, after the chapter is over, they have just given an appendix list of SIA. Not even single line explanation. They have given just the list of SIA. Name, number, name. That's it. We can't say anything. If time permits, just go through. So I think they have given it as an appendix as a reference. Okay. So chances less. Just go through. Now your hero is coming. What? Professional ethics. Hey, logo guidelines. You know, right? That new India logo was introduced last time. Earlier logo was changed. CA logo with India, tricolor. So tricolor India logo. So logo guidelines, they have changed. Earlier logo alla, new logo, it has to be adopted within so and so period transition in your letterhead, visiting card, etc. Now, there was ESB decision. Earlier there were around 33 to 34. Now they have added few more, approximate number, right? Around 12 more ESB decision newly added. One example I will say, which you all will understand. Can an auditor do compilation engagement under SRS 4400? Can an auditor do compilation engagement also under SRS 4400? Not 4400, 4410. I was checking whether you were listening. Under SRS 4410? No, right? That we knew. But now they have added it as a recent ESB decision. Already we had 33 to 34 decisions. Newly they have added around 12 more. Other than these two, ethics is same because major concern for the students was ethics. No. Logo guideline. Logo is clause 7, part 1 per schedule as a part of your visiting card letterhead and ESB decision added. So this is the major changes. This is the changes which I have found out when going through the pages of new material. Okay. So the broad changes. Let me sum up. I will put it as category A, category B, and category C. A means the changes you should see, very important, which is 800 series. This one. Then NBFC, very important. Then this one. As always, our professional ethics, that's not much changes, just an addition. Category B, next important is bank, because it's just the CRR, SLR. See, 450 you would have already covered. If possible, you just read it again. SA 450. Okay. Now, internal audit, I'm putting it under C because it's just a list. Now, this practice question, you would have already seen in MTP, RTP. If you have already gone through the MTP1, RTP1 of or past exam of May 24 and November 24, but still, if you have not gone through, please put it in category A and go through. So guys, that's the update. Okay. So yeah, I don't know whether I'll get the entire time to get the new video, but still 450 I will do. Yeah. So just keep me posted. I will post all the details in the WhatsApp channel also. Okay. So that's the major change, guys. Nothing much to worry. Not like you think, lot of changes, because some students are saying, ma'am, we got some PDF, etc. Yeah, changes are there, but not much. Just see, May 24, lot of changes. Before that, May 23, lot of changes. Yeah, just minute, but these three, please be careful. Others, you can tackle it very easily. What three? Last time, 800 series, NBFC and PE. Professional ethics. Okay. Even professional ethics, I will put it in the YouTube as and when it's done. So guys, that's it. Keep going. All the best.